That was weird.
Yeah.
That was like a Twilight Zone episode.
It was so cool. Everything was weird, but it didn't matter. All the vignettes were really cool.
The Weeknd was here a few years ago, and that was fun. I think they upped the ante. I think this was even better.
I'd say don't sleep on this house. Like, no matter what you think about The Weeknd, don't sleep on this house.
No, yeah, if you love The Weeknd, if you hate The Weeknd, doesn't matter. This was excellent.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.